Hi, good morning to all. Today we would start with political science. The name of the text is Social and Political Life. Do you know what does it mean, social and political life? Yes, social means living together or preferring to live in a community rather than alone. Or we can say living together in organized colonies. Social science means the study of society and the relationship of individual members within society, including economics, history, political science, sociology, etc. Politics is the way that people living in groups and make decisions. The name of the chapter is Understanding Diversity. This chapter is a base for all other chapters in this text. Here, we try to know human behavior, political behavior, and social behavior. In this chapter, you will learn that people are different from each other in many ways. First one is regional difference. For example, if you are observing a person from different states, you can see many differences. Can you say anyone? Yes, their language is different. Yes, very good. Only language? No. Their dressing style is also different. Okay, very good. Yeah, we can see differences in languages. For example, a person from Gujarat speaks Gujarati and a person from West Bengal speaks Bengali and a person from Kerala speaks Malayalam. That means different regions have their own features. Are you thinking only in language we can see the difference? No, their dresses also. Okay, you can see the picture in dress style, their traditions and their culture. You know that different people they are wearing different types of dresses also. All these we can see diversities. And not only in their dress style, their habits, food habits, some people they are using only wheat and their products, and some of them, especially in Kerala, we are giving more importance to rice, you know that. So, based on their region, their food habits also, food style is also different, and their traditions, their customs, their rituals, and the marriage functions of different caste people are different, isn't it? You know that. So here we can see so many diversities, and in the case of religion also we can see this type of differences. And do you know which are the different religious people are living in our country? Yes, they are Hindus, yes, Christians, Muslims, then Sikh people, Buddhist people, okay, Zoroastrianism also there. That means different types of people are also living in our country in different religion. Okay, based on their region, we can see some differences. Based on their religion also, some differences we can see. Okay, and here one example is given in your text. Two friends, they are having so many differences as well as similarities. One example is given in your text. There are two boys. One boy sold newspapers and another one is going to school. Okay, the other boy every time noticed the newspaper boy. He's telling loudly the newspaper headlines in a mixture of Hindi and English words. One day, the other boy asked, Give me one Hindi paper. He was very happy and asked, You know Hindi? The other boy said, Of course. And he paid the newspaper and said, I can read, speak, and write Hindi. He added, Hindi is one of the subjects I study in the school. The next day, the same boy, he was there smiling and holding a Hindi newspaper. Then the other boy asked, Have you ever been to school? He said, Never. He added, I began working when I was very young. First, my mother used to come with me, but I can do it all alone now. The other boy asked, Where's your mother now? He said, She's in Meerut. Where is Meerut, you know? Yes, it is in northern part of India. Okay. So the next day, he introduced himself. My name is Samir. And he asked, What's yours? The other boy said, My name is Samir too. He's very happy. What is the reason behind that? His face is having very pleasant mood. What is it? Why does it happen? Yes, one similarity we can identify both of their names are Zamir. That's why. Okay. The next day, he's very happy. Newspaper boy said, "You are Samir Ek and I am Samir Do." Okay, so they are now differentiating. Samir Ek, Do, Teen. You know, it is Hindi numbers. So Samir Ek and Samir Do. The next day he said, there is trouble in Meerut. Many people are being killed there. He didn't have his smile and said, I am a Muslim and all my people are in Meerut. His eyes filled with tears. So, why he's not in a very good mood or very unhappy? Because there is a communal quarrel between two religious people, Hindus and Muslims there. And why he was very unhappy? Because all his relatives and his mother, everyone is in Meerut. And the reason behind that is they were Muslims. That's a problem. So the Hindu people, they are all is fighting each other with the Muslims in that region. That's a problem. The next day onwards, he couldn't see Samir though. No newspaper in English or Hindi. The other boy said, My Samir though has gone. He's very unhappy now. So there are two boys, Samir Ek and Samir Do. And Samir Ek, you know, the boy who is going to school and he know how to read Hindi, English very well, and also he is a Hindu. Okay, but in the case of this newspaper boy, you can see he is not going to school. What is the reason? Because in his early years, he used to work or he began to work in his early ages with his mother. Some problems may be there in his family. Sometimes his mother can't work now. That may be the reason, or because of poverty, or because of not getting enough food to eat. That may be the reason. We don't know what is the reason, but he is working in his earlier years itself. Okay, that's why now this Samer Ek is very happy because his friend Samirdo has gone now. Now, from this story, we can understand some similarities as well as some dissimilarities or diversities. Both of them are friends, and some differences can you see here? Samir Ek is more familiar with English, but Samir Do speaks only Hindi. But both communicated each other. That is one similarity we can see. Both of them know how to communicate. Okay, and both of them from different religions and cultural backgrounds. Samir Ek is a Hindu and Samir Do is a Muslim. Samir Ek goes to school and Samir Do sells newspapers. What do you think Samir Do didn't attend school? Is there any problem? Yes, sometimes we can see Samir Do didn't have the opportunity to attend school. Sometimes his father or mother is not well to work. That may be one reason, or there may not be any houses to live, or they may not have enough food to eat, or they may not have enough dress to wear. Isn't it? Maybe. And sometimes because of poverty and don't have enough to eat or wear, or sometimes not even a place to live. All this happens because of inequality. Inequality comes about when a person doesn't have the resource and opportunities that are available to other persons. Have you heard about caste system? Yes, it is another example of inequality. According to caste system, society was divided into different groups depending upon the work that people did. For example, if your parents were potters, you could only become a potter. This created a situation of inequality. I think you might have heard about Brahmins, Vaishyas, Kshatriyas, Shudras, etc. Okay. Yes, Brahmins means the people those who are doing puja activities. Kshatriyas means they are the people who are protecting the country, or soldiers we can say. And Vaishyas, they are the business people. They are helping to the other communities. That means business we can say. And the last one, they are Shudras. They are the servants of the other groups. So these are the caste system. These were the caste system existed in the past. So a carpenter's son only can become a carpenter, or a potter's son can become only a potter. That was the system existed in the society. Okay, but can you see such customs now? No. If you are working very hard, you can attain very high position in the society. So that system is not present, but anyway, we should remember what happened in the earlier society. So that is why inequality arises in the society. Okay. Now, I think you got some ideas about these diversities and the inequalities and poverties. Then, now let us recall what we learned. Based on region, we can see many differences on language, their food habits, dress style, etc. And we know that many languages are there, especially in our country. We can see nearly 21 languages are used by our country. Especially, you know that the people those who are speaking in Karnataka, they know Kannada, and the people those who are living in Tamil Nadu, they are using Tamil. The people those who are living in Andhra Pradesh, they speak Telugu. Like that, different state people, they are using different languages, and based on language we can see differences in our country, and based on the culture also we can see differences in our country, and based on religion we can see many religious people are living together in our country. So our country is a place where we can see many diversities. I hope you enjoyed the class and got good ideas. Okay, thank you.